Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you learn a little bit of the fun. So, let's continue. Getting a little bit out. About this much. And I'm going to show you guys how you learn it. So yeah. So first, if it's too sticky and you add a whole lot, that's how you learn it, and it just gets giving you clumpy stuff and all that. So yeah, that's how one starts. But it's when you're making it too. So yeah. And here's another way. If you put too much lotion in it.
Now that you're using my tub.
What?
You're using my tub.
No.
This is my tub.
Oh, hold on guys. We can both use it. Okay, I never actually used lotion before. But all I know is that it works. It makes slime. So I really know about it, you know.
I'm waiting for you to get done.
And then here's the last one. Actually, I have one more. You guys put a little of Dove in there. Yeah. So, someone put a whole entire thing in there of the slime. The slime is pretty big, but medium, and the whole entire thing. Why? Who does that? And then here's the last one, guys. You put Dove in it, and then you put some activator on it, and then you put your lotion on it, and then you mix it. That's pretty much how you ruin your slime. Oh, I can't even touch this. That's pretty much how you ruin your slime. Yeah. See, that's the Dove one. I can't touch this. So, but yes, thanks for watching, guys. So this is a really short video, but yeah, thank you. Bye.